Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I went ahead and used the Joker palette. I did my eyebrows green and I think it's really cool. Like, I'm really liking it, so I might do different color eyebrows a lot in October. We shall see. So I used the Joker palette today. I'm so excited about this palette. The shades blend so easily in both of these palettes, so I absolutely love that. So this is what the inside of the Joker palette looks like. It is so cool. I wish that there was just like a matte black, but there's not. So yeah, if I could change anything about it, I would just like probably replace this one with like a matte black. But I still did a pretty cute look today. I like it. I think it's cool. I'm excited to go get lunch with my husband, even though we don't eat indoors, but still. I had to go run errands this morning. My daughter's with her grandma's right now, so I could like go by myself and do some stuff. So while I was out, I ran by Ulta and I picked up this Revolution translucent powder. Usually I use the Laura Mercier powder, but I didn't feel like spending that much money on powder today, so I tried this out. I think it's really nice. I don't have any issues with it right now, so I guess by the next video, if something happens, I'll let you know. I also picked up this Essence palette. I'm getting really obsessed with their makeup, like their eyeshadows and stuff. This is what the inside of this palette looks like, and the whole reason I bought it was because this shade right here reminded me of my birthstone. I know, it's ridiculous, but still, I thought it was a cool palette and I wanted to try it out. It looks really pretty. Like, these shimmers in person are so pretty. So I also did go ahead and use the Joker lip gloss or lipstick, whatever this is, that came in the collection. It says lip gloss, but it feels like a lipstick, so yeah. The last thing that I got was last night when we went grocery shopping. I saw these and I just fell in love, so I had to get them. But they're by Kiss and they're little Halloween nails. Like, how stinking cute are those? So I might go pick up a couple more packs just to like keep on hand, because I really do like the style. I think that those are super cute. I'm sorry if it's not focusing. Other than that, I'm gonna go ahead and just jump in this video. If you'd like to see how I created today's look, then just keep watching. Alrighty guys, so that was it. This is how it turned out. I think it's so cool. I really like it. I'm just staring at myself in the viewfinder, so sorry about that. I'm gonna go ahead and keep this short so that me and my husband can start getting around and go do something before our daughter gets brought home. So yeah, I really like the way this look turned out. I think it's so cool. I can't wait to like go out and about, even though like this is gonna be covered because I'll have a mask on. I think it'll still look really cool. I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to like and subscribe so you can see future videos I'll be posting multiple times a week here on my channel. And yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.